second time I did silent LS for more than how many hours? I got just 9 hours. I was so pissed then. I got just 9 hours after staying 2 hours on live, like discussing like this, and then I left it to run the whole night, and I got just 9 hours. I was so pissed. Faith Gifts, you're welcome. You're welcome. So, guys, more questions. We are here to learn. If you have any way. Comfort zone. Cletino says comfort zone. I'm very well. Thanks for asking. I was watching a lecture. I don't know if I write this way. And when it has finished, I went forward here. How about you? I hope you're being well. Cletino, yesterday I was asking you which country you're from. Because you're Cletino. Are you Latino? Don't say it's because your name is Cletino. Are you Latino? So guys, if you have any more questions, you can ask. We are here to learn. We are here to relearn. We are here to... This doesn't apply to non-monetized channel, right? Apply to non-monetized channel how? Like if your chat is interactive, you gain more hours, or what do you mean like it doesn't apply to monetized channel? They didn't precise if a live stream was if they will give the feature for monetized or non-monetized channel. I believe I believe it applies to non-monetized channels too, because you need the hours. Sorry, you need the hours so that you can get monetized, right? So if you're doing a silent live stream, if you have the time, be there chatting with your audience. Okay, if you have the time, be there chatting with your audience, and you've accumulated more hours, you can then go to bed and leave it running. So it applies to all. It's a live stream. It's a live stream something. There's no separate if it's monetized or non monetized channel. How can one increase silent streaming? Emerald Lifted TV asked me something. Okay, guys, maybe I should take another device. I'm not. Okay, the right effect says so true. More bodies, the better. Thank you for that, sis. Rosie Latin says, thanks for the tips. You're welcome. Sorry, I'm Lifted TV. I'm looking for it. Fiona, you're welcome to the live stream. Please, so I don't know if somebody can tag Emerald Lifted TV channel. Okay, so the rise, when I go live, I use my phone, because the number of times I've tried using my laptop, the thing was silent. So I use my phone, so I'm reading the chat from my phone, but sometimes it's like the chat gets talked. I don't know if I'm the only one experiencing that, but some people. Okay, how do you get your highlight host? Okay, I've not tried getting a highlight from the laptop, but from the phone, how I get my highlight. I was even supposed to get highlight of what I was talking about. So let me get this highlight.